Section 1. Ancient Dreams of Flight Icarus to Lilienthal. The human desire to fly is ancient. We've always looked to the birds and envied their freedom. Legends like Icarus remind us of the dangers of reaching too high, yet the dream persisted. Centuries later, pioneers like Otto Lilienthal made significant strides. Lilienthal, a German engineer, studied bird flight. He built gliders based on his observations. He made over 2,000 glider flights. His work laid the foundation for modern aviation. Lilienthal's gliders were rudimentary, but they proved that controlled gliding was possible. His work inspired others to pursue the dream of human flight. He is considered the father of hang gliding. His legacy lives on in every graceful arc of a hang glider today. Section 2. The genesis of the modern hang glider, the Rogallo wing. In the 1940s, Francis Rogallo, a NASA engineer, made a breakthrough. He developed a flexible wing concept. This became known as the Rogallo wing. This wing shape could generate lift efficiently. It was also inherently stable. NASA saw its potential for spacecraft recovery. Though NASA didn't use it for spacecraft, the Rogallo wing found a new purpose. It became the foundation for modern hang gliders. The flexible, kite-like design allowed for easy transport and storage. This portability made hang gliding accessible to enthusiasts. Section 3. Anatomy of a hang glider: wings, frame and harness. A modern hang glider is a marvel of lightweight engineering. It consists of a sturdy yet flexible frame. The frame is usually made of aluminum alloy or carbon fiber. A large, carefully shaped fabric wing is attached to this frame. This wing acts like an airfoil. It generates lift as air flows over it. The pilot is suspended beneath the wing in a harness. The harness is connected to the frame. This allows the pilot to control the glider by shifting their weight. Control bars provide further adjustments. This simple yet effective design allows for a direct and exhilarating flying experience. Section 4. Taking flight launch techniques and initial ascent. Launching a hang glider is an exhilarating moment. The most common method is foot launching. The pilot runs down a slope. The wind catches the wing. The glider lifts off the ground, carrying the pilot skyward. It's crucial to have enough airspeed. The wing needs to generate enough lift for a safe takeoff. For higher altitudes, aero towing is used. A powered aircraft tows the glider. This method allows pilots to reach greater heights. It opens up opportunities for longer flights. Once the desired altitude is reached, the tow line is released. The pilot is then free to soar. Section 5. Mastering the air control and maneuvering. Once airborne, the hang glider pilot becomes one with the wind. Control is achieved through weight shift. Leaning left or right dips the wing, and this initiates a turn. Pushing the control bar forward increases speed, while pulling it back slows the glider down. Mastering these subtle movements takes practice, but it allows for precise maneuvering. Experienced pilots can execute intricate turns, dives and climbs. They use thermals and updrafts to gain altitude. This skill is key to long-distance flights. Section 6. Riding the wind, different types of hang. Gliding flights. Hang gliding offers a variety of flying experiences. Ridge soaring involves flying along the windward side of a ridge. The upward deflection of the wind provides lift. This allows for sustained flight. Thermal flying utilizes rising columns of warm air. These thermals lift the glider higher. Cross-country flying combines these techniques. Pilots ride thermals and ridge lift. They cover vast distances. It's a true test of skill and endurance. For the adventurous, there's aerobatics. This involves performing loops, spins, and other daring maneuvers. It requires exceptional skill and control. Section 7. Safety first. Essential precautions and training. Hang gliding, like any adventure sport, has inherent risks. However, with proper training and precautions, it can be enjoyed safely. It's crucial to get training from certified instructors. They teach aerodynamics, meteorology, and flight techniques. Regular equipment inspection is vital. Pilots must check their gliders, harnesses and helmets. Understanding weather conditions is paramount. Strong winds, storms and turbulence can be dangerous. Always prioritize safety over thrill-seeking. Section 8. Hang gliding versus paragliding. Understanding the differences. Hang gliding and paragliding are often confused. Both involve unpowered flight. However, there are key differences. Hang gliders have rigid wings. This allows for faster speeds and longer glides. Paragliders have flexible, inflatable wings. They offer a slower, more gentle flight. Hang gliders require a steeper learning curve. Paragliding is generally easier to pick up. Both offer unique and rewarding experiences. The choice depends on individual preferences and skill levels. Section 9. The enduring allure of hang gliding, a dance with the sky. Hang gliding offers a sense of freedom few experiences can match. It's a dance with the wind. Pilots experience the joy of unpowered flight. They soar like birds, riding thermals and updrafts. The views are breathtaking. The feeling is exhilarating. The sport requires skill, focus, and respect for nature. It's a journey of self-discovery. It's a testament to the human spirit of adventure. So spread your wings and embrace the sky. The experience will stay with you forever.